Hello students. Okay, so we are here now to learn how to create a lot plan and to find or to create a lot plotting. Okay, so first let me discuss the detail of our drawing plate. Okay, so as we can see, we have a title block. Okay, so followed by the directions in the right and the left, rather the left side of the drawing. We can see the directions. Okay, so the north, east, west, and then the south. Okay, while in the right side of our drawing plate, as we can see, we have the technical description table, okay, wherein we can see the line, the bearings, and then the distance. Okay, so as we can observe, it is divided into three. Okay, so we have line. Okay, for example, 1 to 2. Okay, then our bearings is north 35 degrees 40 minutes east, and then distance is 6.2 meters. Okay, so in the lower right corner of our drawing plate, we can see the scale, okay, of the drawing, which is 1:100 meters. Okay, so the title of our drawing plate is lot plotting, okay, or lot plan. Okay, so this is our plate number 5 for second quarter. Okay, so but before we start, we have our drawing materials that we will going to use in order to draw. Okay, first we have the mechanical pencil or ordinary pencil. Okay, so we can make use of that, and also masking tapes, okay, to fasten our drawing paper in our table. Okay, and then followed by templates, if any, or if available. Okay, and then another important material is ruler, okay, to create lines. Okay, and then the most important drawing instrument or tool that we're going to use, we have the compass. Okay, so just a simple reminder lang students. Okay, so sa paggamit natin ng compass, it should be vertically placed. Okay, for example, we're going to find directions or bearings from north and east. Okay, so and east and west, the face of our protractor is in the right. Okay, so while if it is going to north and west, okay, and west and south, the direction of our protractor is on the left side. Okay, so in order to create a moving line or a symbol, okay, of our bearings, okay, we're going to make use of small intersecting lines. Okay, so just like sample, this one. Okay, so I will place my small intersecting line here. Okay, so that is our first bearing. Okay, so that will reflect our first bearing. Okay, so let's find the first bearing of our lot plan. Okay? So, these details, itong mga detalye na to, okay, pwede natin tong makita doon sa certificate of land, okay, or certificate of the lot, okay, na ibibigay natin, okay, if ever, okay, binenta sa atin yung lupa, okay, or pwede din naman natin siguraduhin na kung tama yung pinagsukat ng lupa, okay, pwede tayo mag-hire ng surveyor, professional surveyor, para makuha yung mga bearing. So, sila yung kumukuha nito. Okay? So, let's start. Okay? So, let's find the first bearing. Okay? So, we're going to make use the protractor. Okay? So, itatapat lang natin yung line dyan, and then the circle part, okay, here, the middle part of the protractor, okay. So, for example, here, so north, okay, going to east, okay, so we're going to find out 35 degrees, okay. So at the exactly 30 degrees, okay, 40 minutes east, okay, and we're going to make use of our ruler to create a line going from the angle, okay, and then we're going to measure 6.2 meters. Okay, so since we are using 1:100, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so this is 6.2. Okay, so there we're going to locate our second small intersecting line. Okay, our second bearing. Okay, so we're going to mark this as 1, and this is 2. Okay, let's proceed with our second and third bearing. Okay, so if we want to erase the remaining line, okay, so we can erase it. Okay, next, okay, same procedure. We're going to put our protractor in the middle of the tiny intersecting line. Okay, so here we're going to find 60 degrees east, 60 degrees 25 minutes south. Okay, so it will go downward. Okay, so let's find 60 degrees. Okay, so which is here. Okay, at the alignment with 60 and 120. Okay, so let's create a line from there going to the angle. Okay, so it is 8.7 meters. Okay, so we're going to make use of our ruler to extend this one. Okay, then going to measure 8.7. Okay, so extend again 8.7. 8.7. So here Okay, and let's mark our third bearing there. Okay, and let's put number 3, our third bearing. Okay, next, okay, let's find out the number 3 to 4 bearing. Okay, so south 35 degrees 40 minutes west. Okay, so going toward the left side of the protractor. Okay, so 35 degrees. Okay, so here's 35 degrees. So that is accurate. Okay, and we're going to make use of our ruler to create a line. Okay, so let's measure 9.1 meters. Okay, so this is 9.1 meters here. Okay, and let's mark this. It's 4. Okay, this is our bearing number 4, fourth bearing. And then last, okay, we're going to find 37 and 37 degrees 40 minutes north. Okay, so same north, west to north. Okay, so we're going to find 37. Okay, so where is 37? So the middle of 30 and 40. Then just let's add 2. Okay, so in this part, and let's just connect. Okay, so and that, let's erase the excess lines. Okay, and we can finalize this with the use of our technical pens or uni pens. Okay, so whatever we want to use. Okay, so we can also add circles from the bearings in order to add visual impact of our presentation. Okay, and also we're going to put the bearings at the property line, okay, of the drawing. Okay, so let's try. Okay, here. Okay, we can make use of this kind of line. To add visual presentation in our lot plan. Something like break line, long break line, short break line rather. Okay, let's add small circles from the intersecting lines or the small lines that we created to add visual impact. Okay. Then here, let us finalize the numbers. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, and lastly, we'll just put the bearings at the property lines. Okay, so let's put a guidelines in order for us to write the bearings. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna make use of our pen. Okay, so north, (35 degrees) 40 minutes east. Okay. So going east, and this is put a comma and put our measurement 6.2 meters. Okay, the other one is, okay, 60 degrees 25 minutes south, put a comma, 8.7 meters. Okay, next, south, (35 degrees 40 minutes west, comma, 9.1 meters. And then the last one, west, 37 degrees 40 minutes north, comma, 8.8 meters. Okay, so to finalize our drawing, okay, so let's just erase the guidelines, okay, that we use, okay, for our labels. Okay, okay, so as simple as that, we have already our lot plan. So thank you for listening. Hope you understand our lesson. So the most important reminder here is the direction of the protractor, and then we must follow the directions. Okay, for example, north, east, west, and south. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.